YouTube? It's your boy Catloco, and today I'm gonna do a review of this smart battery card tester. So the other day I had a problem with my truck where I turned the key and it wouldn't start. First I was getting like a click, and then it was nothing. The radio was off, my headlight indicator was on, my check engine light came on. It was dead. So I'm not sure if it was the alternator or the battery. So on Amazon I picked up this it's a 3.2 inch LCD smart car battery tester to try and figure out if it's the alternator or the battery. I think it's the battery because when I looked at the date 2013 and it's 2023, so right away this is the original battery. Came out of Dodge Ram 1500 at 2018. So they gave me a battery like 5 years older than what I bought. So this tester, all you get is a little soft case. I mean, it's not bad. I've seen like Harbor Freight has a bag, but you get the tester inside the case. Comes in a little cardboard box, comes with some instructions, which I read it briefly and it's not too difficult to tell what to do. You got the instructions right here. And there aren't any good videos on YouTube, so I decided to show you guys how this thing works. This might be something you want to pick up. This device isn't powered. There is a battery compartment with a single Phillips right here. It holds 2 AAA batteries, but it doesn't come with any batteries, even though it said it does. So you can't turn it on right now. Anyway, let's go ahead and show you how to use it. So I'm gonna take my negative terminal, put it on my battery, positive, positive. It's gonna turn on. So the first thing you want to do is pick the type of battery. It's pointing to standard. So you want to hit this button here. And then I have it to CCA right there for cold cranking amps. And on my battery, you can see it's 730 CCA. So you have it set right there. If not, you hit the up and down arrow to change it. I'm hit the little enter key right here. This little speaker with little recycled arrows going around. It's gonna do the test. And we have a bad battery. It says replace, which this thing is from 2013. So now I can, you know, go ahead and spend the $200, $230 for a new battery. That's clear as day of you need to fix it. If it was a good battery, I believe it says good right here, but this thing is trash. Anyway, I hope this thing helps you guys. Anyway, I just want to do a video showing you guys how to use this device. I believe this thing was $34 with tax, with a 10% coupon, shipped to my door. It came overnight, but I mean, in my opinion, it looks great. It's pretty simple to use. Once you figure out the instructions, if you want it powered, you can put some batteries in here. Maybe like some rechargeable batteries might work. But it gets a thumbs up for me. I like it. It did what I needed to do. I can go to the store and replace my battery, and hopefully it fixes my problem. Like always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.